Welcome to this new video where we are going to learn how to use backups and restore of configuration to actually do it the right way. So there's a few types of function that you can use. So it's a system backup. It is a system restore from a backup. You can have a configuration export and configuration import, and also you have a system configuration reset, which we did in the first video of this course. So when is the story about configuration backups, it can be used for backing up the MikroTik router's configuration to a binary file, which can be stored on the router or downloaded from it using the FTP for future using. And the configuration restore can be used for restoring the router configuration exactly as it was at the backup creation moment. From console screen or a text script file, yeah, which can be downloaded from the router using the protocol FTP or SFTP or something like that. We are having a system reset command. It is used to raise all how to use it, and of course it might be useful to back up the router configuration first. So we are now going to speak about system backup. So when you click here on system, you will see several options, but there is no backup backup one. So but okay. And when you reset the configuration or backup, it is going to store the entire router configuration in the backup file, and the backup file is shown in the file submenu, so you can download it from the file. And how it's done, so just click type save and put a name like test, and configuration is saved. And when you click from the left side to the files, you will see test.backup. And now if you want to load it, just type load and the name, and it will when you tab it, it will automatically finish the command. So this is the how to use a system backup. The thing that I am using in our real life scenarios is an export. So if you are putting an export, so you can put it in a file also. So just click export file and name it like ever you want. But if you click an export and just click enter, you will see all the configuration that I was doing. So just copy paste it and use it on another router. And this export command just print a script that can be used to restore configuration. And the command can be invoked at any menu level, and it acts for that menu level and all menu levels below it. So the output can be saved into a file and can be also available for downloading using the FTP. The import command or the reverse command is just putting the import and the file name that we created. So keep in mind that when you export it, it will be saved by .rsc extension, and just click enter and it will be imported. What does it mean to be important? So just executes a script stored in specified files, adds the configuration from the specific files in the existing setup, and it is impossible to import the whole router configuration during this feature. You must know it. It can be only used to import a part configuration, for example, firewall rules or something like that, to order to spare you some typing. And we have a reset configuration, so just type reset. Reset is the default, including the login name and the password, so it's an admin and then without a password. IP addresses and any other configuration is going to be erased, and the interface is going to be disabled. And that's it. I hope that I didn't skip any of it. Just let me check in my notes. System backup. Yeah, okay, we done it all. So this is the quick video to how to use the configuration files and how to getting an import or export, just how to manage how to have a configuration management and how to use it. And it is a quick video. It is a very fast one, and as you can see, there is no a lot of options. I have seen in many routers that if you want to have an export, you will need several files and combining and so on and so forth. And for a MikroTik, it's very easy. Just knowing how to do it and which portion do you need for some other routers that your configuration or your part of configuration is going. So thank you, and I will wish you all farewell and see you on the next one.